go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Okay guys, so the wig we're going to be using today is coming from Vici. I think I pronounced that correctly. So you guys, I got a full lace curly wig, and this wig already came bleached the blind color, but I wanted to give it a little more color, so I decided to color the wig blue. And right now I am doing the water method to dye this hair blue. Okay guys, so now that we're done coloring the wig, we're about to prepare our hairline for the glue. So as usual, I am wiping my hairline down with some alcohol. I think it's like 70% alcohol. And once I'm done, I am going to take the Mean Grip skin protector and spray it on my hairline, and I am going to blow dry it a little bit to make sure that it's dry before applying my glue. So as you can see guys, here is the blue color that I did the watercolor with. The color came out really good, and I was happy with the color. So right now you guys, I am fitting the wig to fit my hairline, and pretty much I'm just going to cut the size and I'm going to cut the lace, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so now that the lace is pretty much cut, I am going to take this little eyeliner pencil and I'm pretty much going to mark where my wig is placed at. So when I push the wig back, I will know how far out to bring my glue. So as you can see, I have that section of where I marked to put my glue at. And yeah you guys, so stay tuned and we're gonna start applying the glue. Okay guys, so for the glue, you already know I'm using the Mean Grip, and you guys can go to my website to purchase this glue. And so right now I'm putting my first layer on, and I'm pretty much going to spread the glue out. And as I stated on multiple of my videos, you have to spread out this glue evenly throughout your hairline, because if you don't spread it out evenly through your hairline, it will not dry clear. if it's have any type of lumps, bumps, or anything in the glue, it will not dry clear. And when you're applying your glue, you guys, you have to use a brush or an edge brush like I'm using to make sure that you're not using your hand, so that you won't get the extra excess oils on into the glue. So right now, you guys, I pretty much done putting the glue on and I let it dry clear. And right now I'm just applying my wig, and all I do is apply my wig and gently massage the wig into the glue. And once I'm done with that, I'm gonna tie it away and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Okay guys, so now that my glue is completely dry and melted down, I'm gonna begin to start doing my baby hairs. And as you see, you guys, I am doing a middle part, and I am pretty much just going to section out the hair that I want to use for my baby hairs. And you guys know how I feel about baby hairs. I feel like your baby hairs pretty much make your wig what it's going to be, and if your baby hairs does not look good, then your wig would not look good. Okay guys, so to create my baby hairs, I will be using mousse to create them, to mold my baby hairs. And right now, you guys, I'm pretty much just going to use a the scissors to cut my baby hairs, and again just mold them into how I would like them. Hey guys, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and notification bell so every time I come with a new video, you guys will definitely be notified. Hey guys, if you like this video so far, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Okay, y'all, so now that I'm done with my baby hairs, I'm gonna wrap it up a little bit to kind of let everything settle. And while I'm doing that, I am pretty much just gonna take my hair down and comb it out and spread. I'm just using right now some water and conditioner to kind of get the hair wet a little bit, and then afterwards I am going to use mousse to bring out the curls a little more. And yeah guys, I'm gonna just comb through this and again just get the curls popping a little bit. Okay guys, so while I am still trying to define my curls, I'm gonna just kind of give you a little information on what I thought about the wig. Now you guys, I purchased this wig again from AliExpress, and I believe this wig is an 18-inch wig. And when I purchased it, it did come already the wig was already dyed like a blonde color, and as I stated in the beginning, I just wanted to give it a little more color, so I bleached it. I did the water method to get this blue color. But you guys, this wig was a full lace wig, and I enjoyed wearing it because I was able to put it into multiple styles, which I actually loved. I didn't have like no really bad issues with the hair. Only thing is the hair did shed a little bit, but that's explainable because the hair is, you know, curly hair. And I did also get some tangling in the back, but again, this is curly hair, so you will get some type of tangling and shedding. But I mainly got the shedding when I will comb out the hair, and the hair would, you know, get a little shedding from that. But overall, I mean, I enjoy wearing the hair. If I had to rate this company's curly wig out of a 10, I would give it about a 6, because again, the shedding and the tangling that it was doing. But overall, it took to color really well, and the bleaching the knots also, the when I bleach the knots bleach really well. Overall, again, I enjoy wearing this wig, and I give this company a 6. Okay guys, I am finished my wig now, and here is the finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely make sure that you hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I will see you guys in my next video.